Welcome to GST Sof. Welcome to our software demo. In this video, we will explore the key features and functionalities of our software. So let's get started. How to create an item. Navigate to Items and click on Add Items located on the upper right side. Input the details and click on Save and your item will be created. How to add customers. Navigate to Sales, click on Customers, and then click on Add New located on the upper right side. Enter the necessary details and click on Save and your new customer will be added. How to create an invoice and e-way bill. To create an invoice, go to Sales, choose Invoices, and click on Add New located on the upper right side. Proceed by entering the required information, then click on Save to generate your invoice. How to create credit note sales return. Go to the Sales section, select Credit Note Sales Return, and then click on Add New located on the upper right side. Enter the necessary details and click on Save to create your credit note sales return. How to add vendors. Navigate to Purchase, click on Vendors, and then click on Add New located on the upper right side. Enter the necessary details and click on Save and your new vendor will be added. How to create purchase invoice. To create a purchase invoice, go to Purchase, choose Purchase Invoices, and click on Add New located on the upper right side. Proceed by entering the required information, then click on Save to generate your purchase invoice. How to create debit notes. Navigate to Purchase, click on Debit Notes, and then click on Add New located on the upper right side. Enter the necessary details and click on Save and your debit note will be generated. How to manage incoming invoice. To handle your incoming invoices, navigate to the Purchase section, then select Incoming Invoice to manage them effectively. How to manage e-way bills. To manage e-way bills, navigate to the e-way bills section and select EWB, Outward Inward. This is where you can manage all your e-way bills. How to view e-way bill generated by other. To view e-way bills generated by others, navigate to the e-way bill section and choose Generated by Other. This is where you can review all the e-way bills. How to file GST. To submit GSTR1, navigate to GST filing, organize your data, upload it to GSTN, and then file GSTR1. Maintain cash and bank. To keep track of your cash and bank, input your bank account details by clicking Add New. After adding details, your bank account will be added. Additionally, you can also keep an eye on your transactions. Manage expenses and income. To manage your expenses and income effectively, start by adding your expenses through the Add New option. Once you input the details, you can easily keep track of your expenses and manage your income. Settings. In Settings, you can customize company details, invoice number, and template. Manage IRN, EWB, GST settings, plan, billing options, and explore API call history and other features. Thank you. Visit our website www.gstsoft.com.